have my niece Kylan here again. She was here last year. I can link that video down below. We did a really fun makeup, kind of like a embodied a character kind of thing. It was, maybe I won't tell you guys because then you'll have to go watch the video. So yeah, anyway, go check out that video because it was really fun. So she likes to do makeup. She likes to play around with a whole lot of different styles. She likes, what do you like? You like just regular, like normal kind of makeup, but also like, you know, a little bit outside of the box, like theater type makeup. You can drink it. Okay. So yeah, we have plans for today's video. She's kindly going along with my idea, which thank you by the way.
Oh, of course.
And I'm not going to say right off the bat what the idea is, so maybe you guys will just pick it up as we go. And yeah, I guess we'll just start makeup. I know like basically nothing about makeup, so I hardly wear makeup.
Oh, it's all good.
This is always fun for me, and she thinks it's fun for her, so we're both win.
Goodness. You know, I just brought like anything I thought would be useful. Usually people get a primer that's like stickier or something. Like it's so hard to explain. It gets sticky after you put it on, and then like it holds foundation better.
Oh, so that's a good thing.
Yeah, it is. I'm so not educated with primers because I have not used them very often.
But you can get away without the primer then?
Oh yeah, I didn't have primer for a long time because I never like wanted to pay for it, so I used moisturizer.
Oh, and that does a similar job?
Not always.
Okay. This is my endless questions because I know nothing.
Asked away, honestly. But yeah, I wanted to show you those palettes.
Yes.
This one, Revolution, Makeup Revolution London. Do I have to show the camera?
Sure.
I have a weird face. This one, it's so colorful.
Wow, yeah.
I only use it for my craziest looks because like you cannot put that into a regular look.
You just can't make this an everyday look.
No, it's impossible. This is my contour palette, Kat Von D Shade Light Contour. It's dirty, so.
I like the
it's very
design of it.
Yeah, this one's for my sister, and it's just like contour. This is for like shadowing kind of to enhance certain stuff.
Yeah.
And then this is for like lighter stuff. You're setting or highlighting, so then certain places just like appear to be more prominent than others, kind of. Okay, that's cool. This is my favorite one.
Disney.
Morphe and Friends Disney. It's like my absolute favorite because it's just so cute.
Yeah.
And I got it on sale because it was going out of season or whatever.
Oh, okay.
So it's so beautiful. I just love it. Oh, I like this. I used to have that setting spray.
Oh, you know what? I got this from Grandma.
What? Did I sound funny?
We just have to get used to being this close to each other's faces.
Yeah. Hopefully you're not a flincher.
Well, last time you said I did decently.
Okay, that's good. Nice massage.
Thank you.
Oh, my hands have the.
It's just. Oh, I'm sorry.
It's okay.
It's
honestly fine.
Clawed up your foot.
It's okay. All right. Chris might not have a foot tomorrow. I'm kidding.
They're not long.
They look hard. They look very healthy though.
Thank you.
Yes. Whatever. I just do whatever.
Just figure it
out. If it looks good, it works, you know.
Do you want me to be looking at you, or should I like give you my face?
I don't even know. I don't even think it matters.
Okay.
Until I get to like the more detailed stuff.
Okay.
When the eyes happen, then it'll be a bit different. I'm trying to go for like a porcelain look. And this is such a lightweight, like, it's also like a light coverage too, so it's kind of hard to get a proper. I was gonna bring my other foundation, but it's too dark, and I didn't want to be like, oh, I'm gonna make you look like really, I don't know, like you've been on a vacation or something, fake tanning and whatnot. I have the picture on my phone. I didn't save it or anything, but I just have it in our message combo. Yeah. And her base, like her face, is really easy because there's no contouring, there's no bronzing. It's literally just foundation, concealer, blush.
Okay.
She's got a very, very blush face, like very pink.
So it's more in the details for this look.
Yeah. Like the eyes are kind of the biggest part. The look, I guess.
Mm-hmm.
Like her face, like her face is so flat.
True.
She's a doll. And so I was like, I can't like just leave nothing there. And there's just like a little circle for her nose because she's got a button nose.
Yeah.
And so when I was practicing on my mom, I actually like contoured a button nose, just like a little circle.
Oh yeah.
It was kind of cute.
Nice.
I thought it was okay.
Are you gonna go with that, or are you?
I think so.
Idea?
I think maybe. I would enjoy living in the city or in town because I like the sound of cars.
Mm-hmm.
It's so quiet by our place. You can hear the highway like way far out, but that's it.
Yeah.
It is blush. Well, I'm gonna contour the nose first. With what? I didn't even bring my contour brush. It's so stupid of me. I have to use this one. And this. Oh, this one will actually be better.
Hey. It has two sides.
Yes. They usually don't. Most of them don't.
I can fall asleep.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
It's therapeutic to have your nose painted.
Mm-hmm. Such a big container for a little bitty
I know. It's just
fan.
almost a rip-off.
I thought this thing was full.
It was a gift, so you know it's okay. The look, she doesn't have top lashes in the look, but just to give it like this more dull, dramatic thing, I do have these lashes.
Yes.
So, her face is actually reversed because it's supposed to be made to look like wider and flatter. Usually when people do their makeup, they contour like here and like around their jawline and up around here
Yeah.
to get like a chiseled face look.
Right.
But hers is reversed, like she's contoured darker here because it's supposed to make her look like she's got a flatter face.
That's so interesting.
Yeah.
I would not have picked up on that.
Oh. Now you know.
Look at you educating me.
You didn't even need to know that. Speaking of artwork, I think those are incredible.
Thank
I didn't really look at them too much, but I really like these two, those two.
Aw, thank you so much.
Yeah, I don't recognize names. Like, I don't memorize names of anything. I know,
Right.
I know the Scream and the Starry Nights.
Yeah.
And the Mona Lisa.
Yeah.
That's it.
So excited.
I'll be concealing around the outside with concealer, obviously. So it'll take away like any darkness of your eyebrow hairs, anyways.
Sure.
Like standing beside her and like reaching around with my right arm. So I'll just try to do my best.
Well, I can turn around if you need that.
If you like way around. Just so you know. Sorry. I guess I got the gigs. Okay, there's the brows. That's unique. It doesn't match you yet. The eyes is where it gets very crazy, and it honestly looks stupid for a long time. Cause
Do it. Can I interrupt you one more time though?
Of course.
I think I'm gonna unravel the yarn while you're doing this. I'm gonna be a good use of time.
Yeah.
Let's just do it.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, like perfect, right?
Perfect. That's all I'm gonna do, extending lines downwards. And then I will clean it up with concealer too, just to get it a better shape because this is kind of just a rough little patch here.
It's the sketch layer.
Yes.
Next time we do this, you can have full reign, because both last time and this time I asked you for a specific something.
Well, I don't really know what I would do though.
No?
Like,
I can give you more ideas if you want.
yeah, like the only way I would be able to come up with my own look is if it was like Halloween time, because they always have such a variety. I could do like Harley Quinn or like a skull or like, you know, something like that. Or I saw this one where it's like your face is a jack-o'-lantern. So you got like you're all orange and then you have like the lines for the pumpkin and then it's like shadowed really cool. It looks incredible. I don't know if I
And
can
then
do
like
that.
I'm assuming the eyes and the mouth are like a white yellow, like so that it looks like there's backlit in there.
Maybe.
Sorta.
I don't know. It would either be that or like just black or something.
Oh, black would work
Just
too.
like a car pumpkin. I don't know.
Yeah, that would work too.
The eyeliner is This is so funny because you have to do like this super big wing. It's gotta be like extra large because you're extending the bottom, and so they have to go out a little bit farther. And so if you do the wing small, it's just gonna look like a regular eye. So you have to make it like super giant. Could you look down? That's actually perfect. Thank you.
Just a touch. Hopefully you're okay with that.
Please, on your lap. Sorry. That was terrible. Don't laugh. I'm not gonna even take a drink right now. No, it's gonna go straight through my nose. It happens often. Could you look up? Yeah, that's actually pretty nice. I'm just doing a rough outline with the eyeshadow because like if I do with the eyeliner, then like it's very hard to wash out if I mess up. This way I can just like pour a bit of concealer over there and we're good. Talking about. You try not to laugh again. You're like.
Suck it in.
I don't think we get very much done if we're like laughing all the time. This year, I've been so blonde, like hair wise.
I've just been a ditz. What can I say?
I wish I had a more of a steady hand. I'm such a shaky person.
Are you?
Well, not like terrible. I don't have like tremors all the time, but I'm not like steady like a surgeon, you know. There we go. I feel like at this point I'm making you look a little bit like, what's her name again? Betty Boop. What you're supposed to be looking like.
I feel like there might be some crossover there.
Yeah, with the eyes.
Yeah.
Or something. Or what? Yeah, participation award.
Yes.
Yes. Because that was incredible.
And a blue ribbon upon my chest.
Yes. Because you did perfectly. You just stood so still. I have to like do this thing where I just like sit and think for a couple seconds because I just don't know which step to
It's
do.
just part of the process.
That's true.
Do it.
That's nice.
Good job.
Thank you. You don't even know how it's looking though.
If you like it, it must be nice.
Yeah. I'm really just not wanting to do this other eye because I'm just so scared I'm gonna mess up.
It's that same eye syndrome.
Sorry. It kills me. That's a very Barbie color. Making a full face would be itchy.
I knew if my finger went there, it probably wouldn't end well.
I think that's very interesting. Okay, open. It's pretty good. There is like a little thin line between the fake lashes and your real lashes. I don't think I can get closer just because I don't want to hit your eye. I usually take so much like time and energy on the right side, and then the left side I just like of the heart. The left side I just like scribble something on there. That's cool. I think we're done.
I'm excited.
I think it's.
Ooh, I like it. Hello.
It's crazy and vibrant.
It's so fun. And I'm in the shadows, so I can't imagine how like it actually looks like. I love it.
Good. I think I like it too.
Maybe I have to make that part of the video. Hi!
Hola!